Welcome to the Tidewater Boats Elite Redfish Tournament Series presented by Yamaha Outboards. My name is Pat Malone. I'll be your host this entire weekend, and this week is finally here. The season-ending Tour Championship right here on South Padre Island.
If we can catch them like we've been catching them, I think we can do it. We got to go hard though.
It's fishing. At the end of the day, it's fishing. Have fun.
We're going to have to give it all we got to stay ahead of them, to win 2 Tidewater boats.
Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Smoke it. Who's in it?
Dang it, he was coming after it. Is that one float right there? I don't see him right now. I think I'm right behind you.
Got it.
Things are shaping up here at the Tidewater Championship at South Padre Island. That's what we're looking for.
Got him. Stuck him. Fish on. Yeah, hurry up. Get down. He's a big one. Ooh, that'll take a little stress off. That's a donkey.
Come on, Biggs. Let's float, baby.
We've got 3 little ones in the box we got to upgrade right now. This is it.
They're rolling the minute we get on them. I'm on. Attaboy. See that color on there? Day 3. This is what it's all about. Good job, Dwayne. That was a little one, dude. Barely hooked, bub. Barely hooked. Go get him. Barely hooked. Go get him. Go get him. Attaboy.
No following yours. Come on. Kevin Aiken. Kevin Aiken. Kevin Aiken. We're coming for you.
11:05, 18:12, 11:40, 18:90, 20:73. It's not even close. They hammered it.
Man, I can't believe it. We just won 2 Tidewater boats. $120,000 payday in the Elite Redfish Series.